In this short demonstration, we're going to just have a look at the new campaign settings that have been added to our plugin Campaign Tracker for WordPress from version 1.5. So what we have here is this is the settings page, and there's a new tab here called Campaign Settings. And the new functionality that we've focused on here is being able to create campaign tracking URLs from within inside your WordPress dashboard. So in order to do that, we set up some defaults. So we set up some default values for things like source and medium. So source has got some demo things like Twitter and Facebook. You can add your own sources there. So if you, for example, are running some banner ads on a particular website, so it might be xyz.com, and you can store that so that it's readily available inside the URL builder. So same thing for medium. So we've loaded it up with some common things like social, email, CPC if you're doing AdWords, those kind of things. And then for these other ones, you can then add them to suit. So for campaigns, for example, you might have a campaign called My Really Cool Campaign, and add that, and you can add as many as you like. So you can add another one, another campaign. And so of course you can delete these just by using the little cross box here. So what happens here is that the plugin stores these and then allows you to use these values when you want to create URLs that direct a user to a particular page or post. So if I jump across to a WordPress page, so here's just a sample page. Now on this page, if I come down the bottom, I've got a URL builder. So from source here, I'll just reload this so I can get the current values. I can choose that I want this particular URL to work for xyz.com. And the medium, so it's going to be a banner ad, and the campaign is going to be called My Really Cool Campaign. And so clicking generate URL here just very quickly generates your URL. It's URL encoded, so you can quite literally just cut and paste that, and that can then be a URL that you might send off to an advertising source, or if it's if something you're going to be sharing on social media, then of course you can just go ahead and share it. The settings allow you to store the regularly used values. So instead of storing it in a spreadsheet, perhaps you can actually have these values and campaign names stored right inside your WordPress dashboard.